ABC cartoons. Let's learn together.
In a big jungle, there lived a strong elephant. He was proud and loved to bully small animals. He laughed at the tiny creatures and said, "You are useless. I am the strongest."
But the little ants were brave. They said, "Together we can teach him a lesson." One day, as the elephant slept, the ants climbed on him and bit his trunk and ears. The elephant cried, "Please stop! I will never trouble anyone again." From that day, he was kind to all. Moral: never underestimate anyone, no matter how small. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.